the type of cancer that develops in the breast tissues. And I know some of the causes are hereditary, some too as a result of radiation, and some too as a result of a lump that develops in the breast. When you have dense breast tissues, you can develop breast cancer. And I also know that when you are exposed to too much radiation, you can develop breast cancer.
Also do get it, but mostly it is women that develop breast cancer. It's actually a sickness or a disease that is formed in the breast tissues, and as it keeps on developing, it causes what we call it damages the breast duct. It damages the breast duct, the one that produces the milk, and if not treated, this germinates and spread out to other parts of the body. And normally what it causes is it gets to a point that if this particular thing is not treated, it gives the woman a big breast and begins to give them some kind of sore. It develops some lump in the breast and develops some sore around the breast itself. And if not treated, it can escalate to a different something, a fatal something that can take the life of the woman. And one of the things I know about it too is if somebody eventually gets breast cancer, what they need to do is to perform a surgery.
So when we say breast cancer is a type of cancer that originates in the breast tissue. When left untreated, it can spread to the other parts of the body.
Breast cancer is generally means an infection in the breast of either the female or the male. And then basically, most of the time we don't find it more often recognize it in the men. But then the fact is that men also get breast cancer, which is the cause of maybe the food we take in or the kind of environment we find ourselves. So basically, breast cancer is an infection found in the breast of either the male or the female.
Okay, breast cancer is a type of cancer which often grows in the breast of a female, and I think it's very dangerous and harmful to the system.
We have first stage that can be curable, second, third can be curable. But a fourth stage, doctors advise that stage is the dangerous stage and is very difficult to be cured. So I don't know whether it can be cured or not, but reading about it and hearing more about it, I feel that stage is the dangerous stage. And also, doctors advise that as a lady, as a woman, when you wake up in the morning, you should try to massage your breast and see if you are feeling some pains or you are having certain things. Then you have to rush and go to the hospital for.
Breast cancer is a cancer that develops in the breast tissues. It normally occurs when abnormal cells in the breast develops and add up uncontrollably.
It is something that most of us have ignored as women, but it should be a cause for alarm. That is why we celebrate the Breast Cancer Awareness Month in October every year.
I think America has one of the leading numbers when it comes to women with breast cancer or just people with breast cancer in general.
It's a disease or a chronic disease that affects the breast, especially the ladies or the women's breast. It sometimes affects the men, but the men's own are not that much. But the males, the few males own is more than them. And sometimes it gets to a stage where we have stages in breast cancer, so it gets to a stage where it cannot be cured. So the only option is that it should be cut off.
Okay, so when we talk about breast cancer is a type of disease that causes lumps in the breast or the underarm area. It can also change the size of the breast or the skin. And then I think early detection is better for you to go and then have your check.
Breast cancer is a disease in the breast where the cells grow out of control. Yeah, that's what I can say about breast cancer.
So I feel like everyone should create awareness about breast cancer, and as a woman, you should be able to do your checks after every period, you need to self-examine yourself to know that, okay, you don't have any breast cancer issue. There is no lumps in your breast, to just be on the safer side.
Some of the symptoms of breast cancer is redness of the breast. So redness of the breast. You feel this pain in your breast, like there's this particular pain you feel in your breast, not the normal pain that when you're having this breast pain you feel. You see that the size of the breast changes. You have a normal breast at like maybe 36, but later you realize that your breast has grown to 40. So yes, all these are signs or symptoms of breast cancer. Thank you.